Hello everyone, it's me again, Marebel Sulpiano from Negros Oriental State University Shaton Campus, taking up Bachelor of Elementary Education. Today we are going to talk about elementary algebra. That is a branch of mathematics that uses numbers, symbols, and letters to represent a quantities or relationships. These letters is called variables that stand for unknown values. And unlike arithmetic that deals only with known values, here in algebra, we are going to work on the unknowns. And it is very helpful for us in solving real life problems that will not give us the numbers immediately. So these are the objectives that we can get at the end of our discussions. So first, let us talk to the basic concepts in algebra. So first, we have here the variable. So as what I've said earlier, variables are the letters, or letters is called variables. So here, a variable is a symbol, usually a letter, that represents an unknown value. So examples here, we have x, y, a, and b. So that letters, it represents a value or a number. So in expression x plus 5, the letter x, that is the variable. Next, we have constant. So constant is a fixed value. It will never change. So it does not change. Example here is 3, -7, and 10. So another example is in 2x plus 4, the number 4 is the constant. Why? It's because it will never change. Unlike sa 2x, ma-change pa ang 2. It's because naa siya'y tapad nga variable. Unlike sa 4. So that's why ang 4, mao na siya ang constant. Next, we have the coefficient. So coefficient is the number multiplied by a variable. So like what I've said earlier lang, mauni siya ang mga numbers nga gina-multiply or we are going to multiply sa ato nga variable. So for example here we have 5x. So 5x, our coefficient there is the 5 because we are going to multiply it to the variable beside it. Okay? And then 2x and then x. So x, of course, it is the rule in algebra that it has a invisible one in the variables that are standalone or don't have a numbers. Next, we have algebraic terms. So this is a combinations of numbers and variables connected by a multiplication or division. So examples, we have 3x, -2y, and 4a squared. So 3x naatay numbers and variables, and they are connected by a multiplication because we are going to multiply it para mahimo siya nga 3x. So 3 times x is equal to 3x. Next, we have -2y. -2 times y will be -2y, and then 4a squared, 4a times a. So 4a times a, that would be 4a squared. Kaya ato man siya nga gi-multiply. Okay, so now let's proceed to algebraic expression. So first, let us know what is numerical expression. Numerical expression consists only numbers and operations. So examples here, we can see that 8 plus 4. So wala tayo makita nga variables. 12 divided by 3, and then 5 times open parenthesis 2 plus 1 close parenthesis. That is just a numerical expression. So numbers na siya and then operations. But in algebraic expressions, naa siya contains of numbers, letters or variables, and then the operations. Example here, as we can see, x plus 7. So now x is the variable, plus is the operation, and then the 7 is our number. Another example, 3y minus 2. So 3, ato ang numbers, y variables, minus or subtraction, that is our operation, and then 2 is our numbers again. And then 5a plus 4b. So there's C, translating words into algebraic expression. So example here is a number plus 5. So a number plus 5. So number here, it is unknown. So we are going to use a variable. So a number, let's have x. So x plus. So of course plus is addition. So x plus and then 5. So that is the first. The second one is twice a number. What do you mean by twice? Yes, twice is ato siyang kadugaon. So it means 2. So 2, a number. A number means a variable. It is unknown. So we are going to put x there. So twice a number. It means 2x. Now let's have the third one. A number decreased by 3. A number decreased by 3. A number is a variable. It is unknown. So let's have x. Decrease. What do you mean by decrease in operations? Yes, it is subtraction. So, a number minus 3. So, na may 3 diri. So, x minus 3. The last one, can you answer it? The product of a number and 4. Can you? Alright, so, the product of a number and 4. What do you mean by a product? Kini siya mo'y ato ang gawas sa pag-multiply or muna siya ang atong equals. Product. So, muna siya atong result sa ato nga pag-multiply. So, the product of a number and 4. So, it is multiplication. So, a number and 4. A number here is the variable. And then 4. Yes, sakto. 4. And then, a number times 4 is equal to 4x. So, the product of a number and 4 is 4x. Are we clear? Or do you understand? Questions? Clarifications? Alright, now let's proceed to operations on algebraic expressions. So, we have here first the addition and subtraction of like terms. So like terms are terms with the same variable and exponent. So kani siya ang mga terms or mga numbers nga naay pareho nga variables o pareho nga exponent. So ato na siyang i-combine into a group. So examples, 3x and 5x are like terms because they don't have the same numbers, or yes, they have the same variables. So 3x and 5x are like terms. So, okay, same man sila ang variables. So, pag ato na siyang isolve, 3x plus 5x, that would be 3 plus 5, 8x. Another examples. We have here 4x plus 6 minus 2x minus 3. So, ato siyang i-combine into like terms. Kung sa may mga numbers nga naay pareho og variable. Yes, we have 4 and 2. Kay pareho sila nga og variable nga x. So, ato na siyang i-combine. Negative 2x. So, 4x, so mag-parenthesis ta, open parenthesis, 4x, atong ibutang dira ang negative 2x, close parenthesis. And since kay addition man ta, we're going to put addition there, and then open parenthesis, ato na pong i-combine ang duha ka numbers nga walay variable. So, 6, then negative 3 minus 3, close parenthesis. So, that would be, pag ato na siyang isolve, 4x minus 2x is 2x, plus 6 minus 3 is 3. So, kana siya. That now let's have multiplication of algebraic expression. So multiply the numbers, then multiply the variable. So atong i-multiply po ang variable if multiplication na ta. So i-multiply nato ang number, ato pong i-multiply ang variable. So like for example here, kaning kuan 2x times 3 equals, of course, wala man siya lain nga variable. So ang ato nang i-multiply diri is ang number na. So 2 times 3. That would be 6x. Another example, we have here 4x times y. So, atong i-multiply ang x og y. So, it's equal to 4xy. Okay? Nasabdan ra? Questions? Clarifications? Okay, so now let's proceed to linear expression. So this an equation is a mathematical statement that shows two expressions are equal. So example here is x plus 7 is x plus 3 is equal to 7. So meaning to say that it is equal. So both expressions are equal. So x plus 3 equal po siya into 7. So muna siya ang equation. It is an equation. So how we're going to solve linear equation? So, solving one-step linear equation. So, to solve, we are going to isolate the variables. So, ato ang kwaon ang variable. So, we are going to transfer the So example here, x plus 5 is equal 9. So that two expressions is equal. And we are going to isolate the variable. So in expression x plus 5 equals 9, we are going to transfer the positive 5 to the other side para makuha na to ang value sa x or value sa variable. So we have here x is equal to 9. So since ato man transfer ang positive 5 sa the other side, it will become negative 5 to make it balance. So now x is equal to 9 minus 5. So x is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. So that's it. Solving one-step linear equations. Now, solving simple two-step linear equations. Perform operations step by step. So we have here two-step na siya. Example, 2x plus 4 equals 10. So we need to isolate again. Kuha na to ang value sa x. We need to transfer the positive 4 to the other side. Kaya siya man ang constant dira na may variable ang x. So ang x, syempre ang x man ang value man sa x ang ato ang bulungon. So we need to transfer to the other side ang positive 4. It will become negative 4. So 2x equals 10 minus 4 is 6. So 2x equals 6. We need to, para makuha na to ang value sa x, so that we can get the value of the x, we need to multiply both side by 2. Cancel 2 sa 2x, o ganang divide nga 2, cancel, and then 6 divided by 2 also. So mabilin sa pika side is x only, and then it will be equal to 6 divided by 2 is 3. Nasabtan na. If you have questions, you are free to comment below. Next, let's proceed to applications of elementary algebra. So nana to diri mga word problems. So algebra is used to solve problems or word problems by translating situations into equations. So problem here. Problem number 1. Maria bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens. Each notebook cost X pesos and each pen cost 5 pesos. If she spent a total of 50 pesos, find the cost of each notebook. So Maria bought 3 notebooks and 2 pens. So first, step 1, we need to write an algebraic expression. So what's itong algebraic expression? Of course, a combination of numbers, letters, or variables, and then the operation. So ato sang i-write ang ato ang algebraic expression. So first, 3. Maria bought 3 notebooks. So 3, it cost 6 pesos each. So ato siyang i-times into the x pesos. So 3 times x, that would be 3x. So we already have 3x here. And then plus 2. So Maria bought 2 pens. And that pens, each pen cost 5 pesos. So we need to multiply 2 to 5. So, as you can see, we have here 2 open parentheses, close 5, and then close parentheses equals, of course, if she spent a total of 50 pesos. So, that would be equals to 50. Step 2, we need to simplify. Okay, simplify. 3x plus 2 times 5 is 10 equals 50. Step 3, we are going now to solve for x. So, we need to isolate the variables. 3x equals, ato ang i-transfer to the other side ang 10. That is positive, and now it will become negative. So 3x equals 50 minus 10. 3x equals 50 minus 10 is 40. And now we are going to divide both sides by 3. So 3x over 3 equals 40 over 3. So ato siyang i-divide both sides by 3 para makuha nato ang value dito sa x. So i-cancel nato itong 3x over 3. I-cancel nato ang 3. And then that would be x na lang ang maghilid. Equals 40 divided by 3 is 13.33. Questions and clarifications? Okay, we will proceed to our challenge. So ready for a challenge? Now I want you to answer this 2. I want you to answer that. So first problem, Rico bought 4 pencils for X pesos, each and 3 erasers for 2 pesos each. If he spent 22 pesos in total, find the cost of 1 pencil. And then number 2, solve for X. 5x minus 7 equals 18. It's very easy, class. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer that, and after that, we are going to answer it, of course. Okay, so let's start. Are we done? Right, we're going to answer it. So on number 1, Rico bought 4 pencils for X pesos. So we have here 4x plus 3 erasers for 2 pesos. So we have here 3 times 2 is equals to 22. Kaya ihamang spent is 22 pesos man. So that would be our algebraic expression will be 4x plus 3 open parenthesis 2 close parenthesis equals 22. We need to solve for, we need to simplify it. 4x plus 6, 3 times 2 equals 6 equals, and then equals 22. And then we are going to solve for the x. So 4x, we need to transfer positive 6. It will become negative 6 to the other side. So that would be 4x equals 22 minus 6. And then 22 minus 6 is 16. So it will become now 4x equals 16. By 22 minus 6 equals 16. And then we are going to divide both sides by 4. So we are going to divide each by 4. So 4x divided by 4 equals. So 4x divided by 4, and then on the other side, 16 divided by 4. So cancel 4x, it will become now x equals 16 divided by 4, that is 4. So the answer is x equals 4. 2. 5x minus 7 equals 1. We need to solve for the x. So atong i-transfer sa other side ang 7. So 5x equals 1 plus 7. That would be 5x equals 8. And then 6 equals 8. So that 5x equals 8 kay mahimo naman siya, mahimo mang positive 7 ang negative 7. So 1 plus 7, that would be 8. 5x equals 8. We're going to divide both sides by 5. So cancel 5. X na lang ang mabilin. 8 divided by 5, that would be 1.6. Questions and clarifications? Okay, so thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something from me. If you have any questions or clarifications, you can comment down below. Thank you!